So before moving to the tables and figures, I have listed something in PPT. So I hope my PPT also visible to you people. So first we'll discuss about this small how to create a list wise. For example, I want some bullet points. Generally in LaTeX Word file we will take bullet points, right? 1, 2, 3. Sometimes we'll take 1, 2, 3 as sequence numbers, or sometimes we'll take stars. Sometimes we'll take arrow mark. Sometimes we'll take the check box or tick mark like this. So we will get list wise bullet points, right? So if you want to create this type of bullet points or list wise bullet points, then in our LaTeX we have to follow some codes. The codes are listed here. So slash begin enumerate. So enumerate is nothing but we will get number wise, sequence wise. So one bullet point, second, third, fourth, like that sequence number wise we will get the bulleting points. So begin enumerate. So enumerate is nothing but numerical list. Next, begin itemize. So if you're using itemize, so it will come in a bullet wise. Let us say circle type bullet wise. So here you can see this PPT itself. Here I have mentioned, right, the blue color dot and then orange the red color dot. So these type of bullet points you will get when you use begin itemize. If you're using begin enumerate, you will get numbers 1, 2, 3 like that. You can use begin description. So if you want to give description wise list, so you can create description list. No sir, I want to add my own entries, then you can use and these three are mainly we will use enumerate, itemize and description. Under this enumerate, begin, itemize or description, we have to use this like this item. Item is nothing but we are going to create one bullet point particular space. In item, either you can give your own entries, or if you're not giving any entries, automatically it will take take corresponding. If it is enumerate, it will take numbers. If it is itemized, it will take a bullet points. No sir, I don't want to take any bullet points, any itemized. I want to define my own style. Let's say I want to take a numerical numbers, I, double I, like that. You want to take a numerical type of Roman letters, so you can define your own entries here after the item. Okay, all these things I will show you. Item of like this item of within the square brackets, you can give your own entry. So these things I will show you. Enumerate. For example, I want to give some step by bullet points. Let us take. I'm going to create some enumerate some list-wise points. For example, let us take uh, the following. For example, here is the list of animals in the gallery. So I am executing this one. Here. So we'll take a new page slash new page. So I'm going to take there's a new page. So in the new page, let us say here in the new page, I will maximize this one. It is visible to you because here is the my animals of the in the gallery. So I will create one section for understanding. So let us take lists. So here is the list fifth section we got. By default, we are getting sequence the list section number. Okay, here is the list of animals in the gallery. Now I want to give, for example, let us take animal of, for example, cat, lion, tiger, like that. I want to mention in the bullet points. So if you want to mention a bullet point, slash begin. So in the begin, we can use enumerate or itemize or description. First, I will take as enumerate. Let us say enumerate is nothing but we will get it number wise. So enumerate. So if you just type this, automatically it is suggesting us. So just enter. Automatically we will get begin enumerate, end enumerate, and in between we will get the code is item. This item is nothing but we are indicating that there will be one item, that one bullet point. Okay. So now in the item, I will mention. Let us take cat. It is one element. Next, again, I'm going to take one more item. So in the item, again, I will take tiger and one more item slash item. So if I take slash, let us say I will give one more animal name. Let us say uh, rabbit. So like this, just three items I have created. Once I execute this one, easily will understand what type of output you're getting. Here you can see this: one cat, second tiger, third rabbit. So you don't want to give the sequence numbers. You can ask, sir, what is the advantage of using this begin enumerate enumerate? I will type one cat, two tiger, three rabbit. Like in Word, MS Word, how I will type the same thing I will type. Yes, you can type, no issues. But the problem is that if you want to include any one new item in between these items. For example, let us say after cat, I want to include, let us say, one more item. That is one more item. I want to mention lion. So now if I mention this lion in MS Word, what you have to change? Either you have to change this second value to third, then it is third value to the fourth. But here you don't want to worry about that. You can shift your items at any time multiple times, so you will not lose the sequence of the numbers. By default, automatically the sequence will be added. Okay. So using this begin enumerate, we will give the numbers. List wise numbers we can mention. No sir, I don't want to take numbers, so I will take bullet points. If you want, then you can go with bullet points. Let us say I'm just copying pasting in the next new line. So begin, instead of enumerate, I'm going to change itemize. Itemize. So the same code, why it is showing error is something bad. We have begin the itemize, but the end is enumerate. So this we have to modify. So here I also am modifying itemize. Yes. So now the error is not there here. So if I run this one, we'll understand. Here you can see this bullet points we got. So cat, lion, tiger, rabbit. So if you want bullet points, you can go with itemize. If you want sequence numbers, you can go with enumerate. No sir, these bullet points I don't like. I want, for example, in place of 1 2 3, I want Roman letters 1 2 3, like that. I want Roman letters. Then in such situation you can define your own. For example, let us say I'm just copying this one, begin item is end item is, just I'm pasting, and here in place of item, so by default we are not giving. That's why what the corresponding begin we have started that following. So here itemize will be given, so bullet points will start. No sir, I don't want to that bullet points, I want my own file. For example, let us say cat. Here I will mention, let us say I, this is a Roman letter I'm giving. Next second item I will give, let us say second one, so double I. The third one if I want to give, that I will give within the square brackets. So we have to define in the square brackets. Okay, let us say third one, and in the last one we'll give fourth one. Let us take, I will give my own. So in the small letters, from letters I have given. Here you can see 1 2 3 4. However you want, you can define your own styles also. There is no require rule that you have to follow any particular code. So after the item, if you give any value within the square bracket, that will consider as a number, sequence number. For example, I want dots here. So for after the every Roman letter I want some dots, then you can give dots within the square brackets. And if I run this one, so automatically you will get the dots also. So not only this one, whatever you want, you can give. For example, in place of here, I want to give ABC. Let us say ABC. Just run this one. Automatically, you will get the ABC also. So however you want, you can create your own list. There is no rule that particularly you have to follow the same code. No, sir, I don't want to. I don't have any my own. I will follow as it is. Means I have two options, three options. One is enumerate, item is description. Description also we can use. Let us say I will show you description also. Same thing I will copy and I will paste here. Oh, so description. Yes, description. It is created a new word. Description is nothing but same as it is how we have given there. So copy and paste. I will remove this one. Yes, I got description. Here you see this. Why it is showing without any type of a list is nothing bad. Here we have not given any description for the item. It is like that how we have utilized it here. Begin item, itemize like that. So in this we have used the square brackets, right? So square brackets is nothing but, it is nothing but description. Okay, here itemize we have given, but we use the description. In general, if you are using begin description, end description, it doesn't have any sequence or bullet points. We have to give our own description. Then only it will display. So now I will paste here. Let us take capital A, this one, and this one is capital B, and this one is capital C. So it is my own description. Okay. A, B, C, D. Here you can see the own description. No, sir, I don't want to take in the description. In itemize only if I use means you can use your own description. Not only in itemize, we can use in enumerate also. The code will execute. No issues. I hope this is clear list. Okay, here I have given some text. Just copy paste this one. Otherwise, you can change. You easily will understand what the output. See, if I use this one, automatically we will get this output. Here you can see the output. So in first section, first bullet point, first point, we have this who invented tech. And second, again we have sub enumerate. That is who is the author of LaTeX, who introduced you LaTeX in the LaTeX package. Okay, so like this we can define. This also I will define. See here, for example, I will take here. Here I will take. Now I have given So begin enumerate. First one is cat I have given, right? After this item, again I will go for begin. Now instead of enumerate, I will give itemize. You can use enumerate also, which means subsection sublist we are creating. Now here I will give cat. It's type one animal. Type one animal. Animal. And next I will give one more item there. So slash item. Let us take something value. I will get XYZ. So regarding to the cat. Now if I run this one under the cat under the cat one item we have sub items. Here you can see cat one. Again we have sub list. Type one animal XYZ. You can create a multiple sub list also. Not only single one sub list. If you want, you can create multiple sub list under the item. Again, if you go for any begin enumerate, you will get sub list. No issues at all. Yeah, fine. This is a code and this will be the output for that. Here I have given the same thing. Three animals that you should know about there: a small animal, large animal, medium sized animal. Three bullet points. So begin itemize, end itemize. So item we are using without having any description. Why? Because itemize is by default having bullet points. And next here we have used a description. Here you can see the begin description, end description. For that description item, what we have given description is ant. Ant is nothing but a small animal, elephant, a large animal, cow, a medium sized animal. So we have given animal names along with the description about the animal. Next, markers and references. These markers and references in the starting first day itself I have explained how to call a particular section or a particular equation by using label option. So slash label, we can give this label option. This is a label, it is our own label we can give. Now wherever we are calling this marker as a reference, slash reference as a marker, then the corresponding section or corresponding equation will be displayed. Okay, I will show you this one also. Already I have explained this one. Just I will recall. For example, let us say in section 3, I will double click on here. So my cursor will move to the section, third section. Yes. So if I double click on any line, the corresponding code will be the corresponding code line will the cursor will move to the corresponding code line. Okay. So if I click double click on this symbol, so automatically it is going to the section symbols. Now here, what I will do here, I will use some reference slash. I will use label slash label. So this is section 3, right? Let us say section 3. I will keep my as a label section 3. It is your own, however you want, you can call your label. You can give your labels. So here I am giving label section 3. Okay. Now wherever I call this section 3 as a reference, then it will say that this equation number will be displayed. This is 3 right equation number. Now for example, in section 5, I will call here. Here I will mention in section. Here I will give something. Let us say slash reference. In the reference, what we have defined section 3? Yes, section 3 we will define as SCC3. It is my label. Now here I will mention in section 3 we have discussed about the symbols. We have discussed about the mathematical symbols. Yes. Now if I run this one, automatically you will get the sequence number. Where's my output? Here you can see in section 3 we have discussed about the mathematical symbols. Okay, so I have not mentioned 3 here. Now how many sections I will include in between or after or anywhere directly? If this reference is section 3, it means that so reference symbol, either symbol section 3 will be automatically, it will be connected. Okay, we don't want to worry about the changing of sections or anywhere. So like this in MS Word generally we will change, right? If you are here section 3 as a symbols, now if before symbol section 3, if I include any one new section here, now symbol section will go 4. Now in reference also we have to call 4, but here we don't want to worry about that. So once we define the label for your section, just you call that label name wherever you want to call, the corresponding section number will be displayed. That is the biggest advantage using this LaTeX. You can reference and we can call easily sections. Not only sections, we can use for mathematical equations also. Yesterday I shown, right, mathematical equations. The same thing we can call. That is references we have. I have given here. We just read this one, you will understand. References. Yes, here are the text I have given slash reference marker. Here the references I'm calling marker. The marker is already I have defined the previous slide. This one is also same thing, marker and referencing. Here I have given label for section. See, section, first section, label I have given label section first. Now wherever if I call this section first as a reference, then the corresponding the first select section now section number will be displayed there. Okay. This is the output. Here you can see in third section we invented u in section 1.1, that is the section first section reference is 1.1, so that one number has been displayed here. Here also they told you that LaTeX is a powerful in section 1.2. This is coming directly from giving the label of second section. The same course I have given here. Next one is footnotes. How we will use the footnotes? Generally, we'll give footnotes, right? For example, if you want to refer a particular sentence, this sentence has been taken from any source, then we will give some footnote there. Okay. So footnotes also we can define in our LaTeX. I will show you here. For example, we have discussed about the mathematical symbols. Now, these mathematical symbols I have taken from let's say overleaf. Then here you can take the one footnote. The code is same /footnote. Just enter this /footnote, and inside the flower brackets you can give whatever you want to display at the end of the at the bottom of the page. Okay. Now for example, I have taken this mathematical symbols from the overleaf. Okay, your source is, for example, let us say source overleaf. That's it. So now this footnote will be displayed at the bottom of the page. Let us say we will run this one. Here you can see this. So now here we discussed about the mathematical symbols. So footnote is coming 1. So this 1 is nothing but we have taken a footnote here, source overleaf. This generally will be useful whenever we are giving author's name, we will give the corresponding author, right? So sometimes the journals will ask to mention corresponding authors after the author name. Otherwise, some journals they will ask at the first page, bottom of the first page, they will ask to mention corresponding author and mail. Okay, so these footnotes will be useful. For example, let us take, we have discussed about the mathematical symbols and the author. For example, the author for this document is Dr. Shivaji and the author. Now I will give one footnote here, /footnote. Here I will mention my mail, so email. So my mail ID is siva.g@vatap.ac.in. So just I will give my mail ID, so that you will get one more footnote here that is corresponding my mail ID. Here you can see that the author for this document is Dr. Shivaji. So now here 2 is nothing but, so 2 is here mentioned, my mail ID you will get easily, you can access. So the footnotes also easily we can define in our LaTeX. Just simply enter in the /footnote. Okay. And the next thing is that footnote, same thing. I have given some text here, and I use the footnote. Here I can see the /footnote. Something of I have given one reference for a footnote. So for this sentence, I have taken some reference. So it is coming. This output also you can display here. Yeah, we will get this output. So if you type this code, or if you type this entire this text, directly you will get this output. So documents from the earliest times to the present concept. Here you can get the A. The A is nothing but, so this sentence is taken from this this particular source. So like this, you can mention your footnotes without worry about the clicking by choosing many options in MS Word. Here directly we can enter. Now it is our turn. Today what we have to discuss the main task. Tables and figures. These are two are major importance while preparing any document. Okay, this list references automatically we will get, but tables and figures always gives a little problem in LaTeX to adjust the tables. Okay, that I will show you today. I'm not showing any type of course here. Directly I will take into the LaTeX. Easily you understand. This PPT I will share with you, right? What the comments I'm using in overleaf directly, the same comments are here. Some additional comments I will use in overleaf, because this PPTs I have prepared only for general, the basic beginners, what they want, just I have listed here. But some little advantage also I will discuss in the overleaf. You just compare both, easily will understand. Okay. Now I will use tables. Okay, how to create a tables first, then we'll go for figures. Now here I will create one more section, that is section, let us take section. Now I want tables. Yes. Now I'm going to create tables. We'll to goes to the next page. That is good because already the page is over, right? Let us take new page. Now we are going to the new page, tables. As of now, what I have discussed is something, but just one is list, how to prepare the list, and another one is a footnote and references, how we will the references. These three small concepts I have covered. Now I'm going to the main topic is tables. The today topic is mainly is tables. Okay, and now, so if you want to create a tables in LaTeX, just as it is how we are going with for all comments, begin, the same situation here also we have to begin a table. Okay, so it's slash begin tables. If you enter just table, so you don't want to worry about the rest of the code. Automatically by default all the codes will be displayed. Okay, now see here, begin table. This command I will discuss first. What is the advantage of, what is the benefit of this all these codes, then we'll go for the further giving values in the tables. Now here see begin table. After the table you are getting one square bracket. This square brackets indicates that it is a position of your table. If you in these square brackets you can use three options. One is T. T is nothing but top of the document. So in your article, in every page or in a particular page, if you are taking a table, the tables, if you some journals they will ask to place your tables in the top of the or starting of the your page or top of the page. Some journals they will ask bottom of the page. Some journals they will ask middle of the page. Some journals they will ask as it is, wherever you want to display, you can display your tables. Okay, so for taking the position where you want to place your tables, this square brackets will be useful. For in the square brackets, you can use T. Is nothing but in the page top. So whatever the text is available, but it will not consider about the text. It will display in the top of the page. Otherwise, you can use B. It is the bottom of the page. Where whatever the text is available in between, where whatever is coming, it will adjust at the bottom of the page. It will display as a your the bottom of the page. The table will be displayed. No, sir, I don't want to take the bottom or top. I want as it is. Where is the position? You don't want to give, or you can give H factorial. It's horizontally factorial. Horizontal. Where the you are placing your table, this code, the corresponding in the place, it will display. Okay. As of now, I'm going to take in the same place where I'm going to, because of my section is tables here, right? So after the tables only, I want to take this my code. That's why I'm taking H factorial. And you can use H factorial or HTBP. These also one code to place your tables at the same position where you have written your code. Now either you can use H factorial or HTTP. This is nothing but your tables will place in the same where you have written the code. Okay. Now here after section I have written this code. I want my table here only. I'm not taking any to the top or I'm not taking any bottom. Okay, that's why I have used HTTP or H factorial, whatever you want you can use. This is the advantage of the square bracket. Now, centering. Centering is nothing but you are going to align your table in a center. Generally, we'll take sometimes left, sometimes right side, right? No, sir, I want to take my table in the center position. What is center position? For example, here I have table. In the table, sometimes here I have used T, which means the top of the table, top of the page, it will display. But in the top of the page, either you want to center, or you want to left, or you want to right. That position you can display using slash centering. Generally, in any article, tables will be in the center position. It will not take into left alignment or right alignment. Either it is a top or bottom, wherever it is, but the table should be in the center position. Okay, so that's why by default you are getting slash centering. Okay, so with the this command will keep the table in a center position. Okay, this is okay. Now the main tabular will start here. Begin tabular, end tabular. So this the command is main to display the table. Okay, so these are all just positions. Now the main document is coming here. Main table is coming from begin tabular and end tabular. Okay, so before going to the begin tabular, end tabular, the next two commands are there, right? Here, caption and label. Caption is nothing but title of your table. So if you keep caption here, after the table, below the table, the caption will be displayed. No, sir. Sometimes journals they will ask for your tables, you have to keep your caption. A table title will be in the top. That means that after the centering, you just place. Now your title will come in the top of the top of the table you will get the title, or sometimes generally they will ask below the table you want to display a title, then you just copy that caption, you place in the below the end tabular. This is advantage of caption. Okay. Label, we know, right, this is a label. I already have discussed, right, labels and references. So now I'm calling this my I'm giving some label for my table. Let us take, I'm giving table, let us say this is a table 1. You want to edit it, you can use, otherwise you same as it is, you follow. So label, that is tab 1. Tab 1 is nothing but this is my table. So wherever I can, if I want to call somewhere in table 1, if I want to mention just a reference ref table 1, that's your, this table will be called there. Okay. Now as of now I'm going with this. Now, here you can see this begin tabular. After the tabular, you will have one flower bracket. What is this flower bracket indicates is nothing but here you have to mention how many columns you want in your table. For example, I want to take 3 columns in my table. So each and every column is separated by this vertical line. So like this slash, not back or forward, slash. So which indicates that the columns, either you can give space or not. Now, so before the in this columns, what you want, for example, let us say I will enclose this both. So now here in this column, let us say I want one column C. Here also one C. Here also C. 3, 4, 5. So 5 columns I'm going to create in my table. Okay. So C is nothing but center, not a column, center. Okay. Your value in a table will place in the center. No, sir, if you don't want to see, I want to place my table value is left alignment, you can use L. No, sir, I want right element, you can take R. Left L, right R, C is nothing but center. This is the value's position. Where is the value you want to display in table? Here it is showing the table position, HDBP. Table position, top, bottom, or center, H factorial. Centering is nothing but at the top or bottom where you want to place your table. It is the left position, right position. Here the value is position, where the value is either left side, right side, or center. I will show you. As of now, I am taking center position. Okay, let us take like this. I'm not giving any space. If you want, you can take. Okay. Now, how many columns are there? It will take a lot of time. We'll take 3 columns. So 3 columns I have created. CC. Each and every value in the column is center position. 3 columns. Now here you can see this. Now you have to give the values here. For giving the values, you have to separate the columns by using and symbol. In the LaTeX, the values are separated by and symbols, which means that before and one column, after then one more column it will take. Now I will create a simple table. Let us say serial number, one thing, and here registration number. Now this is the first column. For the second column, I want to use and symbol. This and symbol is nothing but it is a separation between the columns. Okay. Now how many columns here I have created? 3 columns, right? Now I have given here 1, 2. Now I want to give one more. Again I'm giving and. Next one more column is name. Let us say student serial number, student registration number, and name. Now if I go for new line, then you have to use double slash. Okay. I will remove this one. Now I will go for next line. In the next line, let us say serial number 1, next and registration number, let us say registration number is 23 BCB, let us say 7241. So this is one registration number. Next again and let us say one more name. Some name is, let us say Siva. My name I'm taking. Next again I will double slash. Double slash is nothing but going for next row. Okay. Now next row. Second I'm going to take and let us take for 23 BCB 7242. Again I'm taking one more name. Let us take Ramu. Again I will double check. If you want, go for. No, sir, I don't want it. You just close it. Yes, it's fine. This is okay. Now I will close all these things. Okay. Now if I run this one, you will get the understand. See here. What is this, sir? You are getting only columns. I mean the columns, the borders only you are getting. Why I am not getting horizontal lines? I want horizontal lines also. For giving horizontal lines in the table, you have to use H line. Okay. Now serial number. So above serial number, we have one. We need one horizontal line, right? Here I will give after this tabular slash H line, horizontal line. Okay, slash H line. Now After the first row, I want one more horizontal line, H line. Next, after the first record, I want one more. Otherwise, at the end, I want, for example, let's say double slash, and at the end, I want H line. Now you see this one, other table will be there. Yes, now we can see this table. So H line is not a horizontal line. So before the first row, I have given one H line, that is top of the H line, and after the table, we have given last H line is below, and in the between, I had not mentioned any H line. That's why we are not getting any table, any line here. No, sir, I want one H line is nothing but you can paste your H line comment. Then you will see this all lines you got. This is the way of you can depend. And here you can see this caption. I did not mention the table one. It is nothing but it is an indication, right? I did not mention anywhere in the table one. Automatically by default it is taking. Okay. If you place one more table here before to this table one, you will get this as a table two. By default, it will change these numbers. Okay. Like that, you can what how many tables you have automatically by default table numbers will display. Okay. For this table one, the reference is tab one. Now, here you want to add the caption. Let us say caption I'm going to edit. Let us say student details. Run this one. Now you will get table 1 student details. This is my table. Okay. Now, sir, I want this caption below the table. Just edit there, cut it, and then paste it at the below the table. Just you will get the below the table 1 student details. Here you can see table 1 student details. Wherever you want, you just place the caption. It will come above or below. Okay. One thing. Now, sir, some journals they are asking they don't want vertical lines. They want only horizontal lines for my tables. Sometimes they will ask. Let us say SCCA journal. So the statistics and computer applications we have one journal. So in the journal they will ask the tables they have to keep only horizontal lines should be there. That two horizontal lines are first row. If any headings of the table, the first row only will have the horizontal lines, and the last row should be horizontal line. The remaining vertical lines should not be there if their journals they're following. So if you want to keep that, if you want to remove these vertical lines, here is the codes. We have given the vertical line right slash. Just remove that one. Just I'm removing all vertical lines so that you will lose the vertical lines here. Here you can see there is no vertical lines, and I don't want the middle H line also. I will remove this H line. Now I will run again. Here you can see this serial number, registration number, name. So only horizontal lines are there. There is no any horizontal line, any vertical lines here. At least no, sir. I want vertical lines in middle only, not at the last or the first. I want in the middle means what do you want after the first column you want. Let us say after the first column I want one vertical line, and after the second column I want one more vertical line. Just keep it. Yes. That's it. So after the first column, before the second column. If you give one more slash before C, then you will get the first starting one vertical line, and end if you give end also you will get one vertical line. So how slash you are giving here, that corresponding vertical lines you will get, and how you are using H line, the corresponding lines you will get. It is a basic table how we will create in the LaTeX. And now you people will think, sir, this is the tables we had to write all these codes. Already I have executed some, let us say I have worked for my analysis in Python or in R programming language or any programming language. Already I have one table which is in the Excel format. Now easily I can copy the table and I will paste in MS Word. So what is the advantage of LaTeX, sir? I can go with LaTeX Word only, right? Because I don't want to type with these and symbols. I don't want to this test double slash. I don't want to take H line. I don't want to take these columns. All these things is difficult, sir. I will go with Word. In Word itself, easily I will get the table. I will just copy from Excel and then I will paste easily so that I can easily align. Yes, sir. I agree with you, but here, either if you have small type of tables, you type it is better. No, sir, I have, let us say my table is having 100 rows and 5 variables, 5 columns. So in this situation, I cannot write each and every time double slash. I cannot write each and every time and I want to remember this is the first column, this second column, this third column. These are the problems I have, sir. Is there any way to solve this, to address this problem? Is yes, we have addressed the problem. In Google, directly you can search convert latex Excel tables to latex tables. If you use that option directly, what are the Excel tables you have, that Excel tables will be converted to the LaTeX code. There you will get LaTeX code. Just copy, paste in your source file, text file here. That's it. Directly you will get table. You don't want to worry about it. This is also I'm saying easy of thing. Easily we can work. For example, in my Excel, let us take, I will show you any one Excel file which is having large values of number. Let us take uh, any Excel file I will take. Let us take my students' marks I will take. Any Excel file mark report I will open. Nowadays there are a lot of advantage. There are a lot of options they develop. Easily we can work on it. We don't want to work hard. We need to work smart. Okay. So a lot of options are there available. Okay. Easily we can. Earlier when I was working, we don't have that options to convert that Excel tables to LaTeX tables. Each and every value we are entering. Nowadays does not worry about that. Already by default we have options. How we will convert Word file into PDF in our online. The same situation. Just take the Excel file, then convert into LaTeX file. I will show you that also. This is my Excel file. Let us take. I don't want to take all the variables. It takes time to convert. I will take a small number of variables. Let us take. This is my data. Let us take these values I have taken. Copy. Why wouldn't have this much? Let us say only two numbers. I will take two columns. I will take. I will take into new. Here I will paste. Yes, I got these two tables. Uh, Instead of going, just copy this one. In online, I will search here. Excel tables to LaTeX. Excel tables to LaTeX code. You can use any website. It's loading. Yeah, first you can do table convert online. Convert Excel to LaTeX table online. If I click this one, here it is asking, please paste your Excel data or drag and drop Excel file. Table editor is 10, 10 cross 10 is there. Just you paste here. I have copied right. Just I have copied there in Excel. Just I'm pasting. Yes. This is my table. I have pasted here. Okay. Uh, Now we will load the file. Okay. So just I have copied from Excel. Just I pasted here in this website. Just load. It's loading. Okay, okay. It is loading means we are extracting. Okay, okay. Here you can see, sir. Just once you paste the values here, by default we got here output. This is nothing but this load file is nothing but we can load the Excel file directly. Okay, that I came to know now, just now only. Here I will, if you paste the the values automatically the code will be displayed here. No sir, I want to convert my entire Excel file means you can take the load file, then it will ask tab, new tab. There you will save load your Excel file. As of now, I'm copying pasting here only. See, this is the code we got. Just copy this code and paste in your. Just I copied and paste in your LaTeX. Here I will go. I'm going to paste to this. Yes, in the next table, I want to paste here. Let us say Control V. Yes. Now run this one. Yes, here you can see the table. Easily we can work. We don't want to copy. If you have already Excel tables, just convert into online. Take the code, copy paste. Okay. Here you can see this one. The online they have converted into L position. L is nothing but left alignment. Okay. So the values here you can see this. These are all left alignment. Here the values are in the center position. See. Just change this L to C, you will understand. C and C. So these two columns, the values will come in the center. Yeah, now we can see the center. Okay, student number, general registration number in the center. Student name will be in the left side, right? I will rechange this one. C, instead of C, I am going to L. So now it comes to the left alignment. Here you can see the student name is coming in the left alignment. Okay. If you want to remove the vertical lines, just remove this vertical line. There's a vertical slash. Just if you remove this one, automatically will lose these values. No, sir, I want to keep. You can keep. And H lines are automatically give display. If you want, you can keep. If you don't want, you can remove the H lines also. Here, sometimes we'll give multiple columns, right? Multiple columns and multiple rows. Okay. For example, let us take. I will take one serial number. What is the serial number? Is nothing but here I will create one more column. So I'm going to create one more column before. Let us see that one more column is nothing but let us say I will remove these values because if I want to give a value, I have to give all the values column. Now only I have four records of data. It will give error now. Why? Because it is taking one more C I have given, right? Okay. Now see here I will give and here also and what I'm going to create, I'm going to create a new one column. Okay, let us say serial number, this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. Now if I run this one, you will understand there are three columns. I see three columns. See serial number, registration number, student name. Okay, here I did not forget, I forget to give a vertical slash, so that's why it is not coming vertical line. So we'll give vertical line here. Then I will remove these H lines. Only I want headings and then at the end we want. So now I will run this one as same table what I have created earlier, just I have got this one. Now I will go with multiple rows and multiple columns. Let us say 23 MSC 7001 7002, these two candidates having one serial number. For example, let us say serial number only one, rest will be 2 3 for example. Then in such situation we have to merge these two values. Am I right? 1 and 2. So what I will do now, this 1 and 2, these two rows is having only one value in serial number. That is 1. Now I want to take this as a merge. However, I will take merge is nothing but we have to use multi-row. So these two rows we have only one value, right? So in the first position after the serial number, here I will use multi-row slash multi one thing. So if you want to use multi-row or multi-column, the codes, you have to use the package in LaTeX. What is the package? Is nothing but multi-row, multi-column. Same usual words only. Here I will use at the starting preamble before to the begin document slash use package and the use package multi-column. I will use multi-column. That's why I'm taking multi-column also. So multi-column already we got. Just enter. This is one package. This slash use package multi-row. If you just add the first one or two values, automatically it will suggest as multi-row one package. So these two packages are loaded. Without this package, multi-row, multi-column we cannot do. Okay. Now I have loaded the two packages, just mentioned in the code. Now here in one, so I want to display this one for two rows. What do you have to do? Multi-row you have to take. So multi-row slash multi-row, or just take this one multi-row, three flower brackets. These three flower brackets indicate that first the flower brackets is asking how many rows you want to merge. Here I want to merge 1 and 2 records. Now how many rows you are merging? 2. That is 2. Okay. Second one is nothing but the position center. Where is center left? Automatically we have given the center left the values position, right? So we don't want to give separately. Just I'm giving blank. The blank is nothing but star. Okay, so in multi-row we don't want to give any position for the center for position for the multi-row. Why? Because by default column will have positions center left. So here we don't want to mention, that's why I'm giving empty L star. Next in the next flower bracket, what the value you want to display in the multi-row. Now I want to display one is the this one value should be displayed for the two rows. Okay, that's why I'm giving one here. Now this I have to remove. Why I have to remove is nothing but this is belongs to two rows. So two rows is nothing but in the first column, this one and two I'm going to make into one. So I have given here one, but in the second column, second row I should not mention any value, right? That's why I'm giving blank here. And next, the third row is having second, third row is fourth row is having three value. Now if I run this one, we'll understand. Here you can see one is coming in the middle of the two rows. I will use one line here, slash h line, and here also I will give slash h line. You will understand. And now here see, in serial number column, we merged two rows, that is two rows merging and given values one. So multi-row is nothing but the rows for two is nothing but two rows. This I don't want any position star, and one is nothing but the value of the multi-row. No sir, I want to give three. I want to make three rows is nothing but just remove this two, keep three, which means three rows I'm going to merge. Which means third row should not give any value because three rows I'm merging, right? Starting of the third row I don't want any value. So now three rows I'm merging, and I am removing h line here. I just removed the h line. Only I have taken last one is this one is second. Now if I run this one, here you can see one. It is a merged three rows, one, two, three. So three rows merge, and the second row is final row is second value. So like this, you can merge how many values you want. No, sir, I want to change the value one to, for example, let us say a. Then you can go with give the value of in the third flower bracket. You will get the a. Yes, a, and the second one is will the b. Yes, like this you can use your multi-row values. Okay. Here, sir, I sometimes you people will ask, right? So a here you are using h line. H line is nothing but horizontal line. It will come for all the columns. Here you can see this. If I use the vertical horizontal column here, let us say in the first row, I will use h line slash h line. If I run this one, you will observe that. See here, if I use the h line here, the line is coming here also. But here we measure right. A is measured for three rows, but horizontal line is separating the serial number also. In such situation, when you are going to merge, we should not use h line. H line will come for the entire all columns in the table. Okay. Now here what we have to use? We have to use C line slash C line. Slash C line is nothing but it will ask the range from which column to which column you want your line number. Now within the flower bracket, now you can see this one. I want one horizontal line from line 2 to line column 2 to column 3. This is first column, second column, third column. Now from second column to third column I want just I'm mentioning 2 to 3. So 2 hyphen 3, which means that second column to third column I want one line, horizontal line. Now if I run this one, here you can see this. Now the horizontal line is coming from second column. Same code I will copy and I will paste in the next column. So here also directly we get one horizontal line from here. And now here A is merged one, so which is belongs to three rows. The three rows are this one, 1, 2, 3 registration numbers. Now each and every row is separated by the horizontal line. That is called C line 2 to 3. If you are giving only C line 2, only second line you will get one horizontal. You will not get the horizontal line for third one. It is asking for the package. Okay, C line is only for the range only, right? Okay, fine. C2 2 to 3. Directly we got error. Fine. Yes, sir. So, for example, if you want to keep only for one particular column, only one horizontal line. So again, we have to use merge. I will show you when while we are going column wise merging. Okay. Here in C line it is not working. In in while discussing about the multi column, then I will let you know how to give a particular row only having horizontal line. Okay. This is about merging of rows. Okay. Now for example, I will go for merging of columns, that is multi columns. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll give one multi column where we will give, for example, let us take multi column, let us take registration number. Registration number, here we will give one multi column, that is let us take serial number, registration number, student name, and then here I will use one more row. Let us take, so this is and symbol here, and one more and symbol here. Now double slash, I will remove this H line. Now what I did here, I am going to create a new line. Okay. Now in this new line, I will take a registration number. I will divide into two rows, two columns. That is, two columns are nothing but, let us take like this, slash multi column. Here also I will use three flower brackets. Now how many columns you want to create? Let us say two columns I want to create under the registration. Okay, two columns. Now each and every column, what is the position you want? Either you want center or left or right. I want in a center position. Let us say both sides I want borders. Yes, borders. Now I will take the registration number. Just delete this one, and this will be the registration number. Now, what is the meaning of this one? I'm going to create two columns in the registration under the registration number column. Okay. Now you will get one additional column, right? Now serial number, multi registration number, name. Now here serial number is, let us say multi row. We have this. I will delete. I don't want this one. Here only will follow. Now here one more additional column we have to mention. Why? Because this will be the taking as a second column, right? Multi column, right? Okay, one more column. Let us take this will be taken as let us say registration number 23. Here I will take 51, and let us take here 45. Along this here 23 msg I will remove, 34 I will make, and I will make one more column here 23. Next here I will change this one. Let us take, I will keep here one underscore. I don't want to type, so directly I will get one more, and I want to give the columns, two columns, right? Next let remove. Okay, first column, second column. In the second column only we got, let us take R1 registration number 1 and registration number 2, then final one empty, then slash. Now here H line I will give. Oh, got an error, right? Okay, I understand this one. What is the problem? Here I will modify this one. Actually, the problem is that we are giving multi columns for only one row. Let us take. I will go back. Just little complicated will be there, but once you understand easily, we can work. No, nothing to worry about that. Just one thing I will show you. Yes, multi row. Here as of now basic we have taken, and now here multi column two rows I will run this one. We'll understand what the table is going to create. Here also we're getting the problem. Okay, student name is coming in the next line. Okay, let us take here. I will give one C, then we'll check that whether it will work or not. Now okay, fine. See, sir, what the mistake is nothing but here serial number 1 and multi column he has 2, right? But if it is 2, you will get one C a center position. But here we will get two columns. Here two columns, here 1, 3, and last one is 4. So 4 columns are there. That's why you have to mention here 4. Earlier we have gone with only 3, right? And that is the problem here we are getting. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go with instead of registration number, we can take student number, right? Let us take like this. I will remove this one. Just I will paste here, and I am using multi-column for student name. That is, one is first name, another one is second name. Here, what we will do? Here the first column multi-row this one, and second column this one, third column this one. I will keep here one and dollar symbol, which means that I am separating one more column. Let us say I will keep here one thing, and let us say here I will keep one thing, and then Guna Sekar. So I'm taking Chekka Guna is the first name, and then this is second name. If I run this one, here you can see this one. You are not getting here, right? Here. Here you see, sir. I will, as of now, I will remove the C lines. Then we'll go with multi rows and multi columns. See, sir. Here you are getting a table. So first we will give one horizontal line here. I will take one horizontal line here, slash H line. One by one we'll learn. So once I take the H line, yes. Now you got one H line. Here we don't have vertical line, right? Which means that here I have not given any vertical line. So I will give one vertical line here. That's it. Compilation. Yeah, here you got the vertical line. Now the advantage of multi-column here, you can see this one. The student name. The student name is coming in the two columns. These are the two columns. Under the two columns, we are getting same one merged name is nothing but student name. I hope you understand. Like our multi row, what we have given here, the same multi column we have given. The two columns is having same. Two columns is having same title. That is same header. The student name. Now this is the first name. This is second name. You can think like that. Otherwise, if you want to give name also, you can here you can give. Let us take. I'm going to use instead of H line, I will remove this one. I will go for next. So serial name, I don't want anything. Next, registration number, I don't want anything. Now here, I want first name, and in the next column, I want second name. Again under, so I will remove this one and double slash slash H line. I want now horizontal line. Okay. Now I will run this one. And now here you can see. Okay. Serial number, registration number, student name. Another student name, we have first name, second name. Okay. Now here I want one horizontal line from here only, that is column 3 and column 4. Now I will use C line slash C line slash C line with number of flower brackets 3 to 4. Now third column, fourth column only I want one horizontal line. And now you can see here the student name, the first name, second name. The horizontal line is coming only for these lines. So first name we have, second name we have. Now you want again here horizontal lines, same values you can follow. C line. Let us say here slash C line. Now C line I want from second, third, fourth, right? So second to fourth. The same thing I will copy and I will paste here. And now you will get the values. Here you can see this one. So from second line to fourth line, you got horizontal lines, and student name is merged. That is multi-column. The multi-column is two columns. We have the two columns names you got from here. Why you are getting here left and why you are getting center is nothing but here one is we have used L. Okay. For example, I will use C L left position only. Here also I will use here is fine. Two left symbols we will use. Just we'll click here. Now we'll get the left positions. The student name is in center position. That is here we use C, right? That's why we, because of the C center, we are getting student name as a center, and first name, second name are in the left positions. We got left positions. So this is the way we can arrange tables either in the center, left, multi-column or multi-row. Okay. I hope you understand, but little complex. I understand it is. If you are listening first time, it is very. You think that it is very tough, but don't worry about it. Just once you practice the code, automatically, easily you will understand. Okay, where what I am doing here. Okay, this is about tables, and almost time is going to close. Just in 5 minutes, I will finish the figures also. Just figures needs to copy paste only. We don't want to worry like this. Okay, just I will show you here.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Sir,
Shiva, sir. Thank
sir.
you. Very good session. Sir, can we do like this using Word doc?
I'm not getting sir. What
So
document?
can we get LaTeX code even for Word document also?
What document means entire what document you are converting to LaTeX?
Yeah, yeah. I want.
Yes, sir. There are some options we can convert, but the
Ah,
template we cannot follow.
okay.
So how I have converted now Excel to LaTeX using our
So
online
in
website.
case of PDF,
No, sir. PDF we cannot generate.
okay, sir.
It
Okay.
is
So
it is not
yeah.
possible. Why? Because PDF has some big figures. PDF has some
Okay.
tables, so it will not directly convert. That is the problem.
Okay. Yes, yes.
And
Got it,
if you're
sir.
converting to Word to direct LaTeX also, sir, you will not get proper code. You will get some unnecessary code you will get. You cannot understand the codes.
Okay, okay.
That is a
Got
very
it, sir.
toughest job if you're converting entire Word to LaTeX.
So it will work only for Excel sheet exactly.
Excel exactly it will work. So tables as it is, it will come.
Okay, okay. Right, sir. Got it.
So just you open your MS Word, copy the text to copy paste, just copy paste here. Whenever the tables are there, go with using these options Excel to LaTeX. You can take the tables. Figures, I will show you figures also, how to install the figure, how to load the figures in your LaTeX.
Mm.
That's it. You don't want to worry about worry about it. Here I have explained some little complex things, that multi columns and multi row. You people, I know you people will think that we are not understanding this, very tough like that. I observe that, I know that one. When I listen first time also, same thing I got. But after you practice the course, easily you will understand what we are doing, and when you will not convert your Excel to LaTeX. That you will type here.
So only for tables, so we can get latex code only for tables. Whether it is in Excel sheet or in Word document is irrespective of
We can
that.
convert,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We can convert directly.
Okay.
No issues.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, do you want to discuss figures, or we'll go for tomorrow? If you have time, I will discuss. I am free only.
We will discuss tomorrow, sir.
Okay, sir, then fine. I think maybe this little body got be heat, right?
Yes, sir,
So
namaste, sir. Shiva, sir. Tomorrow we will discuss, sir. Today we will practice this tables at our home.
I
Yes,
know
sir. Yes.
your mind has got little heat because of the multi and multi column.
No,
So
no, it
here
is a
is,
very excellent session, sir.
sir, here is fine. We will not worry about the when we don't have any multi rows and multi columns. The table easily we can create. We don't want to worry about it. But when we are going multi row, multi column, just we have little focus. Why? Because it will treat everything as a line, right? That line
Okay,
should be very careful. We have defined. Here we see this. These A is belongs three lines. That's why we have to give multi-row three lines and the value corresponding. And in the next two lines, I mean here also values will display, right? The values we have to give empty.
okay,
If you are not giving empty, you will get one value here. For example, let us say in the second row, I will give some value here, 3. So that will come here. See here, you are getting 3A both overlapping. Why? Because you have used multi-row value is 3. The three values, three rows is having single value, but in the second row again you have mentioned 3 is something, it is coming here. You should not do that one. You have to give empty space, because of in the second row the first value is empty. That first value already we have merged, that is A. That type of simple things we have to focus. And here you see the multi-column. The first column, second column, and third column only you have given. But here I asked to give 4 columns. Why? Because in the third column we are using multi-column. That is 2 columns again. So here 2 columns, 3, 4. Now the values we have to enter for 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are simple things we have to keep in our mind. I can give assurance, sir. If you practice once, easily you will understand. Yes, this is the things we can. But by seeing this one, the course, oh, we are not understanding this. If you think and if you're not touching any practice, if you're not practicing, definitely you will not learn. Any questions, sir?
Thank you, sir. Shiva, sir. Thank you very much.
Actually, a lot of things are there in the table. Just I have given the basic only. In the PPT, I have mentioned here. You can see this one. Here I have mentioned R, L, R, L. R is at the right, left, right, left. See here, the serial number is coming right side. Only the right side. It is coming in the left side, and this is coming right side, left side. Here R, L, R, L, because of this one. Yes, copy, paste. Each and every line is separated by the and. And is nothing the new line. H line is nothing but horizontal line. So here I have given the first color horizontal line. The next I did not mention any horizontal line. That's why we are not getting any horizontal lines here. Here I have a description for that.
Uh,
Here you can see, sir, one more thing. P is nothing but paragraph. We can sometimes we will get a large amount of text right within the table. So if you want to keep wrap text in Word, we will call wrap text. So for wrapping the text, we will use P. This 1.7 centimeters is nothing but the size of the box. Just P, it is a paragraph. Within the paragraph, if you within the flower brackets, if you mention 1.7 centimeters, the size will take, and what are the text you will give. Here you can see a fully justified paragraph. I have given big length of sentence. The sentence will be coming in a wrap text. We can wrap the text. Here I have used many things. L, P, M, B. B is nothing but bottom. M is nothing middle. L is a lower place. See, align at the top, lower, middle, and then bottom. We are going like this. So however you want, just arrange. Sir, I will share this PPT with you. Just practice these commands. You will easily understand. Here is a multi-column option. Country list. The first one is multi-column, and rest will be going the normal colors 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here you can see, ask sir, why you are getting double lines, double borders? Yeah, why? Because I have used two double borders. Here you can see this one. Begin tabular P. Here you can see double vertical lines. So double vertical lines in the middle, two borders you will get. It is simple, sir. It is easy way you can learn. You can yourself itself you can learn. Just understand the course and you can practice. Here is the option of multi-row. So the multiple row for the 3 cells we have taken one answer, multi-row. I want to convey these things, sir. I hope you understand. If you feel anything little
Yes,
complex,
yes, sir. I
just
did
ask
understand.
with
Only little bit of it's
yes,
sort
sir.
of confusing in using packages.
Yes, sir.
So we should learn
Practice
what is the meaning of a package, to which context it is suitable. So that
yeah.
one we should know at first,
Yes,
and
sir. See, just I
it
have
is
used two
better to
packages,
learn all
sir.
commands, symbols,
One is
meanings.
multi-row and multi-column. These two packages are required to load this multi-row and multi-column. Without this package, table execute. But if you want to use multi-row values and multi-column values, then you need these two packages. That's it. You don't want to load it in just you have to write the code. That's it. Automatically it will compile. Uh, don't worry, sir. At any place, if you are facing any type of problem, just send a one WhatsApp text to me. I will reply at any time. No issues. I'm a bachelor only. I don't have any.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm
Thank
staying
you.
away from
If
so bachelor only. I'm
if
living
bachelor
outside,
means
so I
we
don't
can
have any works. Just only academic works I will do, and sometimes I will go outside. That's it. So at any time you can just send a text to WhatsApp. Text is fine. No need to send any mails also. So WhatsApp text just in the just send me what are the WhatsApp text, and if you have any error, just take a pic of that one. So here I'm not getting my code is not working. Just send me pic. Immediately I will respond for that.
yeah, that
If you
means
have any doubt, yes, sir.
bachelor means you can spend more time. I think, sir.
Just I'm saying, sir,
No, okay,
because
no
I.
worries. Yeah, it is right, sir. Because no other buttons will be there.
No other burden. As of now, no family burdens, right? Yeah, we
Yeah,
have to take care about parents. Yeah, that is going background. But if you are getting any new extra, then we have to work more like you people. As of now, I am free bird.
yeah. Dear participants, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, sir.
Everything
Fine,
is
fine.
fine, fine. Everything is fine.
So some of them has raised their doubts in the chat box. That Purnima
Hello.
madam, like that. If I look at them,
Uh, Sir, how can we write other languages like Hindi or any other in LaTeX? Okay, okay. Uh, yes, ma'am. I understand your problem. So generally, sir, for writing the same text, for example, I have shown right one thing. Vertabim. I hope you remember this. Slash vertabim, begin vertabim and end vertabim. Within the text, you can keep all your LaTeX code. For example, like this. I have this file or not? I will show you. Here we have. Here, see this one. Verbatim. Sorry, I'm saying verbatim. Verbatim. So within the verbatim, begin and end verbatim. What are the text you will write? The same text will display. It will not change into anything. It will treat as a one image type. It will treat. So same thing. See here. It is R code. This one actually the same R code I want display means just I have taken. But if you, without this verbatim, you will not get this flower brackets, or you will not get this flower brackets. You cannot get the same output how you have written here. So this, yes madam, you can use like this verbatim. If this verbatim is not working, we have one more thing. LST listing, begin LST and end LST listing is there. I will show you that one also. Slash begin. I think we need some package for this one. LST listing. This ma'am, LST listing, begin LST and end LST listing. If you use this command, what are the things you will keep? Any language, anything if you keep here, automatically you will get within that within the place you will get your language. Yes, we can keep. Just try with this this list LST listing. We need package. This package I forget. I will let you know tomorrow class. As of now, if you want, you can follow this verbatim. Begin word verbatim, end word verbatim. It will take you to the same file. What same text what you have written here, that will be come here. And also how to draw landscape table. Yes, sir. I will show you here. Before writing this table, just begin landscape. Your word only I'm taking landscape. Yes, just cut this one and paste within that begin and end. And for this we want one package, that is landscape package /use package landscape. Is there or not? It's not coming. We'll convert this one. I think landscape is there, right? Landscape. See, madam. Sorry, landscape package is not there. The name is Lscape. Lscape is a package required to change your table into landscape. Now here I have used the code is begin landscape, not Lscape. Package only Lscape, but we have to use the code is landscape. Okay, begin landscape and end landscape. Within this begin and end, you just place your table. Your table will display in the landscape. So you can see the landscape table. I hope this is clear. Just you have to use the package Lscape, and you have to use the code is landscape, a landscape, and here landscape. Word document table can we convert into LaTeX code like Excel? Yes, we can convert. Other languages, yes, we can convert. We can write. Also, how to do the landscape? Okay, between R and L vertical lines, how can we enter, sir? Madam, I am not understanding what is this question. Between R and L vertical lines, how can we enter, sir? What we can enter? I am not understanding, madam. What is this? May I know this one? Padma Vedula.
In code, the symbol line, how to?
That symbol line is there,
Vertical
no,
line,
sir?
right?
Vertical line.
But you have that key in the keyboard, ma'am. Above the enter option.
Keyboard.
The keyboard itself, we have that vertical line. You have
Yes, sir.
right? Back
Yes, sir.
if you press shift.
Yes, sir. It is there. Okay, sir.
How
Thank
to
you.
split text within two columns as an magazines and articles? How to split text with two columns? So that is only right. Merging columns, multi columns or multi row. I have discussed it, right? Splitting the text in with two columns. I have taken my name and then I have divided this first name, second name, right? Next, Word document tables can be converted into LaTeX code like Excel. Word document table can be converted into LaTeX code. Yes, sir, we can convert. Either you can copy paste or directly save the file LaTeX Word file. Then you ask convert a Word file to LaTeX table. You will get a directly conversion of the code. Just copy the code and paste it. Yes, sir. Any other doubts, sir?
No, sir. Everything is clear.
Okay. Then I'm closing my presentation. If you have any doubts, again I will share because it's showing
You can
multiple
close this.
different tabs, right? How to make a LaTeX text document in two columns? Ah. uh, Here we have, right? I just stop, right? Again I will share with you. How to make a LaTeX text document in two columns? Yes. So this depends on the your class file, document class file. Again I will share with you. If your any journal is asking, take their template and automatically the template will have in 2 columns. If you want to convert your own, here you have option. Here is a document class. Article is there, right? Within the square article, we have to use square brackets. I said, right, A4 columns, A4 paper. Let us say A4 paper, 12 pt I want size, and 2 columns I want. 2 column, and let's run this one. We'll check this one. Yes, madam. Here is your answer. See, my article is coming in 2 columns. That is the option I have given. It is article only, but my option is 2 columns. Yes, we got 2 columns text. Any other questions, sir? How to make a latex text document into column? This we addressed. Just we have to give option in document class within the square first line. It is very important, sir. Without this one, we cannot run any R code, any LaTeX code. So document class, we have to indicate which type of document we are going to create. I am going to create an article. So I have mentioned here. If you want a thesis, just mention thesis. If you report you can mention. But within the square bracket, if you want to give any options, you can give options. Earlier I did not give any options. Here I have given A4 paper. In the A4 paper I want to print 12 pt I want to take size of the font, and then 2 columns, 2-sided article I want. So now I got 2-sided article. Any other questions, sir? I thought that we'll finish the tables and figures both in a single session, but it takes a lot of time.
No problem, sir.
Sir, any other questions, sir?
Yeah, I think no one raises. I think one of them has raised, sir. Srimitra, sir.
Heading as a 40, if I want heading as a 14 pt size. Yes, madam. Here you have heading, right? Introduction to latex. Here you can change, right? /large. L large you can take. We'll get a bigger one. It is not working here. Let us take big one. Big I will use. You are getting, ma'am. I hope you understand. One thing you are getting, but not that much changes is not happening. Let us take big one. Let us say big. BIGG I'm using. Whether will you understand? Otherwise, understand. Teeny. Yeah, madam, it's working. You can use teeny, big, large. I said right how to change the font styles. You can change. Here you are asking particularly 14 pt, right? If you want to take particularly 14 pt, I have never tried like this. We'll do the big. So within the flower brackets, I will mention, let us say 14 pt. Then we'll check this one whether it will come or not. Yes, no, ma'am, it's not working. Okay, madam, I will check this. How much? If you want to change particularly the font size, if you want to give necessary this much size only means, I will let you know this one. Okay, big size, big only we are getting. Let us take like this up to here. The big is working, but you want size, right? Particular this much size means it's not. We don't know this one. Okay, madam. I will make a note about this one. How to give particular size of the font. Either you want 12 pt, 15 pt. So I will give tomorrow. I will give the specification for this one.
Yeah, I think, sir, Shiva, sir. Mitra, sir, is raised his hand.
Yeah,
Mitra, sir, you can
yes,
ask.
I'm writing, sir. One thing. 14
Okay.
pt. I want, right? Okay. This I will check. Yes, sir. Next, how to convert particular one single page into 2 columns. How to convert particular one single page into 2 columns. So, may I know what is this, sir? I'm not getting clarity. How to convert particular one single page into 2 columns? I mean, in your LaTeX, some pages are single page, only single side, and some pages are 2-sided, sir. No, sir, it is not possible. These type of questions generally will address by journal templates. General templates, they will give their own class file. So in that class file, some journals will have the starting page will be the first. There is no any two-sided, only one side will have. The next second page onwards will have two-sided articles, two-sided page you will get. That will be addressed by the general templates, sir. Sir, abstract in a single column, but rest of the matter are split into two columns. What to do? Sir, abstract in a single column, but rest of the matter are split into two columns. This is also we have to follow. Uh, I understand. Your abstract should be in the one column, then the rest of the matter should be in the two columns, right? Okay, fine. These type of things are general template will give, but one day I have converted like this abstract in horizontal normal one line and one column, and rest of the values rest of the text is in second two sided. Here I forget the code, sir. Tomorrow I will let you know, sir. I will show you this one how to convert uh, abstract as a normal text, and the rest of the values will be in two columns. I will show you, sir. One day I have used this one, this type of question. Abstract you want one column, and rest will be the matter will be the second two columns. Okay, sir. I have noted this your point. I will let you know.
Sir, already you shown this kind of explanation by merging two or one columns.
No, sir.
So
That
it
is
will work, I think.
no, sir. Sir is asking not for tables. Sir is asking enter LaTeX.
Interlatic.
Enter LaTeX document. He want his abstract in one line. His abstract should be in the one paragraph. It should not be divided into two columns. But after the abstract, the rest of the document in introduction, methodology should be in the
Okay.
two columns. His idea. Yeah, understood. This
Got
type
it.
of works I have already worked, but I forget the code. I will let you know tomorrow, sir.
Yeah, sir. Actually, the IEEE template is like that only.
Yeah,
We can
yeah,
get there. Yes,
that's
yes,
I said, sir. Actually,
yes, yes.
then I said same. These type of problems will address by the general
Yes,
templates.
yes,
Here
yes.
also, ourselves also we can do. I tried once. I will let you know sure.
Okay, okay.
Any
Otherwise,
other?
here also we can show, sir. You can check the templates. No? The already designed templates are there. You can take IEEE template. We will get the code.
Now itself you want? I will go with sir.
No, 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 no. Just here also you can show them. The already there is a design templates in overleaf. Na, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already there is a lot of sample templates in
Okay, okay.
overleaf.
I will go, sir. No, actually, sir, understood. If you are going like this, they will develop their own class file, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So, we can understand most of the times we cannot understand their own class file. Just we have to edit there only.
Yes,
What
yes.
I'm trying is nothing, but I want to inform you people that
Provide the
we
yes.
can also do like that. That's why I'm trying. That's why I'm not taking any templates. As your suggestion, I will go with any one template. Two columns.
IEEE template.
IEEE we have.
Yes, yes, yes. IEEE.
Here you can see this one, sir. Instead of
Yes,
IEEE,
yeah.
go any one template. Open
Mm.
as a template. For this is, sir, one journal we have taken template. Here you can see the left side STY. This is a file they have developed this one class file. So this because of this file, the text is the format is coming like this. So if you delete this one, your code will not execute. So these are styles we have to develop if you want particularly. What I tried is nothing but in our default also we can convert abstract in one line and rest of the document is in two lines. Okay, so here what they have used is nothing but I will let you know that. Here, sir, we can this one. So they have used this one code, sir, slash two column square bracket, and they have enclosed the square brackets here, but it is showing error. Within this text, the text is coming in one column. and rest of the document is coming in 2 columns. If you copy this one, it will not work. I know that one. Why? Because this 2 column code is coming from for their template only. They have developed their own. So we can, if you copy this one, we cannot get the 2 columns. Otherwise, see sir, here they have used slash document class. Within the square brackets, they did not make anything. Just they have even commenting lines. But after the class, they did not mention article. Why they are not mentioning article is nothing but article is a general format for LaTeX. This ABN Tech 2, this is that class they have developed. Because of this class, we are getting this type of format. So under this class, this function is will work. Slash 2 column square bracket. In our general article, which will not work. If you want to learn, so no sir, I want to learn, I want to make my abstract in center, I mean in 1 column, and rest of the values will be in the 2 sided, means definitely I will discuss tomorrow. Don't worry about that.
Okay,
I
sir.
have,
Tomorrow we will see that.
yeah, I have experience.
Yes,
I
sir.
work.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions, sir?
No, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Shiva sir. And Venkatesh Boy sir also have joined this session wonderfully.
Yes, sir. Here I will take a chance to say thanks to my professor, sir. My professor, Dr. Venkatesh Boya.
Yeah.
He is my teacher, direct teacher, when I was doing master's degree at Sri Venkatesh University.
Yeah.
Oh, directly we can say because of him only today what I'm here. His motivation
Yeah.
always strengths to
Yeah,
me.
not only you, many of the students are came because of him only.
Yes, sir. I want to say big thanks. Thanks is not sufficient to say him, but but I have to convey right. So thank you so much, Professor.
Thank you, Shiva. Hard work never fails. You are the inspired to all young peoples. That is enough.